YouTube, my name is Daniel and I'm a new member of the Bmx Bike Check, and this is my bike and I'm going to do a bike check on it, so let's go. Beginning with the grips, I have ODI purple grips with ODI bar ends. My bars are verde stock. My stem is a top load verde stock also. My headset is premium, as you can see right there. And my forks are fit. My tires are demolition momentums. My rim is stolen. And I have what's called normal spokes and normal hub, stolen hub. My frame is a verde. And my pedals are red Odyssey pedals. My cranks are premium. And my sprocket is a stock verde sprocket. My chain is a red KMC. And my back tire is also demolition momentums with a also stolen rim. And my pegs, if you could see through there, my pegs are shadow little pegs that I scratched them up because of grinding. And my seat is a We the People with a fit post. We can't really see it because it's underneath there, but yeah. So that's it. So comment, like, and subscribe, and peace out.